Welcome to the second video of the Niche Edit System series. In this video, we will cover Image Link Replacer and Embed and iframe campaigns. Image Link Replacer provides the functionality to create backlinks using images. We can create internal as well as external backlinks using images. When you click on an image, it will point to a target URL selected by you. One thing to remember here is that the image you select for upload will replace the existing image in the article selected. Here is the article in which we will replace an image. This is important to understand. You're not just adding a link to an existing image, you're replacing the image entirely with a new one that contains the backlink. Let's now see how to create image links or replace existing images with new images that contain links. Creating image link campaigns. Click on the Create Backlinks button here on the top right corner. You will see a pop-up dialog box like this to select the type of backlinks you want to create. You can either choose external or internal as per your requirement. Let's see external backlinks using images first. External image backlinks. You can see here some similar fields that we have already seen in the backlink generator external backlinks. I have filled in the data already to save time. Let's go through each field. You have the campaign name here. Enter a descriptive name that helps you identify this image backlink campaign. Selecting a customer or adding a new customer. Just like in other backlink campaigns, you can assign this campaign to an existing customer or create a new one. Using tags, you can add tags to organize this campaign with your other campaigns. Keyword to search. Enter the keyword or keywords that will help filter articles. The system will search for articles containing these keywords. One difference here is we don't have the date range function yet, but we can select articles before a selected date. You may see the full date range feature in future updates. Next is description. As we have already seen in previous campaigns, you can enter any text that describes your campaign or explains why you are creating this campaign. This is for your internal use only. In the same way, we have the multiple URL field here. You can enter multiple URLs, each on a new line. But you need to keep in mind that the format of the URL should be the same as shown here. You must use https:// in each URL. The system will randomly select from these URLs when creating backlinks. Place images function. Now the new thing you can see here is the replace images function. This is the key feature of Image Link Replacer. You need to select the images from media library or upload the new images. These new images will replace the existing images in the articles, and the new images will contain the backlink as well. So you're accomplishing two things at once, updating the visual appearance of your articles with fresh images and creating backlinks through those images. Use articles that already have image links. The next option is use articles that already have image links or image replaced. This function is similar to the use articles that already have links function that we have seen in the backlinks generator external backlinks. If you enable this, the system will include articles that already have image links in your selection. If you disable this, only articles without image links will be included. This helps you avoid over-optimizing certain articles. Campaign scheduling. We have the number of days field. This determines how many days the campaign will run and spread the image backlink creation across that time period. The start date allows you to schedule when the campaign begins. And Post Now, which we've seen before, allows you to execute the campaign immediately rather than scheduling it. Selecting articles. Now you can search for a specific category or use tags to search for categories. The search functionality helps you quickly find the right subdomains and categories. Then we have the Select Category to Add Posts box where you will select the categories of the articles you want to generate the image links on. Use Command+click on Mac or Control+click on Windows to select multiple categories. After selecting the categories, click the Search Posts button and you will see the filtered posts that match your keyword criteria. The system will display all articles that contain your target keywords. Now select the posts where you want to create image backlinks and save the campaign. You can select multiple posts by clicking each one while holding Command or Control. In this example, I see only one post for this keyword, so I will select this and save the campaign. Processing the campaign. Let's check the campaign status in the background processes in the logs section. Let me open the logs and then we will see the status. Let's refresh it to see the latest status. You can see here that the campaign has been processed successfully and it's completed. The system has replaced the images and added the backlinks as configured. Verifying the image backlinks. Let us now see the article and verify if the backlink has been created correctly. Go back to the campaign's dashboard and click on the number here to see the list of articles where image backlinks were created. Let's click on the article to open it. So, this is the image we had selected for upload. Now let's test the backlink. Clicking on this image points to the URL we provided in the multiple URLs field. The image backlink creation was successful. As you can see, the image not only looks good in the article but also functions as a clickable backlink to our target URL. Internal image backlinks. Creating internal backlinks using images is pretty much similar to the internal backlink campaigns we have seen in the backlinks generator. Key difference is in the image selection process and how you specify source and target articles. The difference is mainly in the date range options and selecting the images for backlinks. Campaign structure with backlink source and backlink target sections remains the same. So you can create internal image backlinks easily if you are familiar with internal backlink campaigns in Backlink Generator. Process involves selecting source articles that will contain the image backlinks and target articles or pages that those images will link to. This is particularly useful for creating visual connections between related content within your private blog network, improving both user experience and internal link structure. Now let's explore embed and iframe campaigns. Turbosubdomains allows you to personalize the content using different types of embeds, including Google Maps, iframes, YouTube videos, and JavaScript. In the dashboard, you can see the list of all the campaigns used in different embeds. You can easily get brief information about the embeds through the column titles. This provides a quick overview of all your embed campaigns at a glance. Let's now go through the process of embedding content in articles using embed campaigns. Creating a new post embed campaign. Navigate to the Embeds and iframe tab in the Niche Edit system. Click the Add New Post Embed button in the top right corner. You will see the new embed creation form. You will see these data fields. I have already filled in the data to save time. Let's go through each field. Campaign fields. Embed title. This is the name of the campaign. Just enter a simple name similar to the campaign names we have already seen for backlink campaigns. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify the purpose of this embed. Customer. Create a new person or choose an existing customer using this checkbox. This helps organize your embed campaigns by client. Tags. If needed, add a tag here for this campaign. This assists with filtering and organizing campaigns. Keyword to search. The keyword to search field is the same as we have seen in other backlinking campaigns. You can enter one or multiple keywords using the pipe separator. The system will search for articles containing these keywords. Date filter. In a similar way, you can filter the articles based on date. We currently do not have the full date range feature here, but it may be available in future updates. You can select articles before a specific date. Description. You can add a description for this campaign if you want. This is for your internal use and helps document the campaign's purpose. Embed type. Now the embed type field is the most important field in this campaign. There are 4 types of embeds available here in the drop-down: Google Map, iframe, YouTube videos, and JavaScript. We will see each one and try to understand how to use them. Each embed type serves different purposes and adds different functionality to your articles. If you want to create an embed for Google Map, YouTube video, or iframe, you need to enter the URL in the URL field here. But if you are going with JavaScript, the URL field will be replaced by a script field when you select JavaScript as the embed type. Google Maps embed. Let's start with Google Maps first. Let me show you how to get the Google Map URL. Go to Google Maps. I have already opened Google Maps in a new tab. Now search for a location that you want to embed and click on the Share button. Now click on the Embed a Map tab in the Sharing options. Click on the Copy HTML button to copy the iframe code you see here. Now you need to extract the Google Map URL from this code. To do that, you just need to remove the iframe tag from this code. Let me show you how to do that. I have opened that code in a text editor app. Remove the iframe tag like this from the beginning and end of the code, and copy the URL to use in the URL field. Let's go back to the campaign form. Paste the URL here. You can use multiple map URLs, each on a new line. The system will randomly select from these URLs when embedding maps. Now select the category and search for posts having that keyword. Select the posts you want this embed to be added to and then save this campaign. The system will now embed the map at the end of these articles. You can see the status of this campaign in the background processes in logs. Let me quickly show the article with the map embed. As you can see, the Google Map is now embedded at the bottom of the article, providing location information visually to readers. Let's now see the iframe embeds. To embed an iframe, use a normal web page URL in the URL field, and it will be embedded as an iframe in the articles. An iframe allows you to display any web page within your article. Let's use the same article for iframe embed. Let's select these subdomains and select the same post. You can see here in the posts box, the article we have used in the map embed has a green background. All the articles having any type of embed will get this green background. This visual indicator helps you quickly identify which articles already contain embeds. Let's save this campaign. Let me quickly show you the iframe embed in the same post. The web page is now embedded within the article, allowing readers to interact with external content without leaving your site. YouTube Video Embed. For YouTube videos, simply paste the YouTube video URL into the URL field. The system will automatically embed the video player in your articles. Let's select the post and save the campaign. Refresh the article again to see the YouTube video embedded into the article. As you can see, the YouTube video is now playable directly within the article, enhancing the content with multimedia. JavaScript Embed. Let's now see how to embed JavaScript code. This is the most flexible embed type, allowing you to add custom functionality to your articles. Fill all the details into the campaign form. In the script field, I am entering JavaScript code, which will show a pop-up displaying a warning message for users to check advertisements on the page. You can use any JavaScript code here based on your needs. Select the subdomains and articles and save the campaign. Let me quickly show you the article with the JavaScript code. As soon as you load the article, you will see a pop-up containing the warning message. This demonstrates how JavaScript embeds can add interactive functionality to your articles. You can use JavaScript embeds as per your requirements. This could include analytics tracking, interactive elements, custom widgets, or any other JavaScript-based functionality. Reviewing multiple embeds. Let's quickly review the article that we have used for all types of embeds. This will show you how different embed types can work together in a single article. You can see the Google Map here at one section of the article, providing location information. The iframe is here, displaying external web content. And the YouTube video is here, offering multimedia content. Let's refresh this article and see the JavaScript working again. Perfect! All four embed types are working correctly in the same article, each adding different functionality and value to the content. Best practices for embeds. When using embed campaigns, consider these best practices. First, don't overload articles with too many embeds. 1 or 2 embeds per article is usually sufficient and won't slow down page load times. Second, choose embed types that add real value to your content. Third, test your embeds after creation to ensure they display correctly and don't break the article layout. Fourth, be cautious with JavaScript embeds. Make sure your code is clean and doesn't interfere with other page functionality. Fifth, use the green background indicator in the campaign dashboard to avoid over-embedding the same articles. This completes our coverage of embed and iframe campaigns, and with that, we've finished the entire Niche Edit System series. To summarize what we've covered across the Niche Edit System tutorial videos, we explored Keyword Replacer for optimizing content with better keywords. We covered external backlink campaigns for placing links to client sites and high-authority domains. We examined internal backlink campaigns for building strong site structure. We learned about Image Link Replacer for creating visual backlinks. And finally, we covered embed and iframe campaigns for enriching content with maps, videos, iframe, and custom JavaScript. The Niche Edit System is one of the most comprehensive content manipulation systems in Turbosubdomains. It allows you to make bulk changes across hundreds or thousands of articles efficiently, creating a well-optimized, interconnected private blog network. These tools work together to help you create a professional SEO-optimized network that provides value to users while building authority for your target sites. Thank you for watching this comprehensive Niche Edit System tutorial. In the next video, we'll explore additional features of Turbosubdomains. See you there.